Hello everyone, welcome in TF Talk channel. In this video, uh, I will. In this video, we will making script to backup, making full backup with auto making backup for router MikroTik to the flash disk or SD card. The script will be searching automatic for the USB flash. The script will be searching automatic for the flash or SD card and making backup with tags, time and date for the backup. The script also making auto reboot in your selecting time. And the reboot will be disable DHCP server and hotspot and removing the less DHCP license automatic. Here the script is including two parts. First part here is name my startup. We needing making schedule and making startup. And the part 2 is main script to making backup. If you don't have example user manager, you can remove the user manager job backup. Here it's first this is this instruction for searching disk USB or SD card. And this instruction is make name file backup name by data and time. Here will be disable hotspot server, all hotspot server to save sessions. If you don't need any part of the script, you can remove. Here will be disable DHCP server, and last instruction for removing DHCP server license dynamic. If you have a static IP, will be not removed. You can remove any part in this script as you like. Example, if you don't need remove license, you can remove an instruction for removing license. Use only an instruction if you need it. This instruction will be making backup from setting and hotspot users example and all settings and waiting 100 seconds, and in this instruction will be making backup user manager. If you're not installing user manager in the MikroTik, you can remove this instruction. Tool user manager database save. If you don't install, you can remove. After this system will be searching for schedule my startup and making a new script. The part 2 is enable DHCP hotspot server and enable the DHCP server after reboot the systems. Now first I will copy first part from script, my startup. I will be copy and go to the I having here any disk and router, remote router, and base making in the system new scheduler task and best instructions and rename this schedule task as my startup. Best. After setting the name, I click to start up, router, apply, and disable. Please disable this script after create. Disable. Please disable after create, and make time interval time is 2 minutes. Okay, we will after make we needed disable. Here, look at here, I having, where is my script? This is router having many script for my customers. Here script is my startup, name is my startup, and disable. Now I needed copy the part 2 pro script part 2. I adding a new and go to the my notepad and copy from begin to end. Copy and here paste. Okay, here paste and make startup at in morning 6 o'clock in morning, interval every 24 hours, starting at 6 o'clock at the morning, and making every for 24 hours. Click to apply. Okay, now this script will be ready and making now I'm selecting all. We don't having time to test, so I will copy this instruction for to test and click new terminal to test. This step for only test. Okay, now router will be rebooted and saving the configuration. Here after rebooting, view here, the backup is made and backup name is saved by time and data. Here you can find automatic by data and time. This is end for all this script. If you like if you have any question for this script, you can put in the comment and I will ask you for any time. The script, you can find this script under the video. Please making the backup for your router and your setting before installing any script. Also, you can remember you can remove any instruction from this script. If you don't have need example user manager, you can remove this part, and if you don't need remove the DHCP, you can remove the instruction for remove an instruction for delete less. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Goodbye.